make it? Waited in vain before the pain comes back again.
What's up, YouTube fam? We are back with another one in the boat. My two brothers, Marlon, my brother Julian. We're in Montegut, right up on the Shane area, looking for trout, sheepshead, redfish, anything. That's it. This video is sponsored by International Line Specialists. Let's get started. Get a second. You get a second. Yeah. 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 The trout.
Hey, get close to that bank, Jay. Some shrimp too.
Too small, but that'll do.
Go down again.
Yeah, he did. Bumped it. Fish on. What's that? Oh, that's a trout. That's a hog. That's what I'm talking about.
They won't, Jay. That shrimp on it, baby. Oh! Maybe not.
There it is, bro.
Shrimp, baby.
That a red?
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, that's a red. That's a red, yep. Our brother with the red. Nice keeper trout. He's making this. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're going to make it half feet. Oh, it hurting? That, Sierra be like that too. Fish on, yeah. His size is questionable. Yeah, he not 12. Trout number 2. A little too small.
That one?
Yeah. Fish on. Yeah. So yeah. What is that? Redfish. Yeah, he might. He might do it. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see. 14 and a half. First red of the day. A little too small, 14 and a half inches. I'll put it back. So, y'all, unfortunately, my camera, the head mount camera, is dead. My brother was operating the boat, blew off in the wind, fell in the water, so that's done. That's toasted. So right now I'm recording with my Samsung Galaxy. I don't know how it's gonna come out. Hopefully good enough, but that way, if it don't come out good, I apologize. All right, red. What you think, bro? How many has been so far? What, like 12? First sheep of the day. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful fish. Jig head, shrimp, made it happen. Appreciate the net, bro. Know what it is. Really red fishing, baby. Stay tuned. Oh, he not. Easy. Strong.
Let's go.
There you go. Sheephead, baby. Sheephead.
Super click.
Let's go, bro. How I feel? Felt good, huh?
Always. Nigga lying. Nigga, I don't go fishing every time.
That'll do.
Another sheep. Yeah, Mike. Oh, you talking about offshore? Yeah. Sheepshead number 2.
Nice. Yeah, you're right. Let's go, bro. Yes, it is. My reel's still out here. I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna get the net. Yeah. Oh, you gonna have to come back here, huh? He's doing the craziness. Hold up. Get out. Get out your way. I gotta get this out. Oh, wow. Hey, Jay, can you do me a favor, bro? Can you reel this in? I need to get that out. The water. If you reel, I'm gonna go grab that net. All right. Good deal, bro. Where you at? Oh. He gonna break, watch. Oh, yeah, I knew he was. I knew he was. I don't like that boat. Oh, boy. Third time's a charm. Alright. Wait. Okay. Alright. Just sit it right here. Oh, bro. I'm gonna bring it to you. Alright. Bring his head. One trick shot. Nice, bro. Good catch, dude. Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm talking about, bro. Yeah. Well, it's been a tough one. Oh, it's been a tough one. We did it. We did it. One, two, three. That's gonna be it for the day, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. It was fun. It's something we're gonna have to do more often. Brother said he wanted to do this something like at least once every month. So yeah, we're gonna have to definitely do that.
Super click.
Thank y'all so much, man. Appreciate all the support. Thank y'all for sharing. Thank y'all for everything. It's kind of a tough day.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button, you hear me? Yeah.
There you go. He handled it for me. Make sure you subscribe if you like it. Like, share. All the same, I appreciate it. One love. God bless. I'll catch y'all next time on the water. Thank you.